Here in Nigeria, the Court of Appeal in Abuja has affirmed the election of Sani of the All Progressive Congress as governor of Kaduna State. In its judgment this Friday, the three-member panel of the appellate court held that the tribunal acted in error when it depended on inadmissible evidence to order the conduct of the supplementary polls in 22 polling units of the 4 local government areas where the exercise was deemed inconclusive. The court stated that a key witness called by the PDP during the tribunal hearing merely gave hearsay evidence as he wasn't present when the malpractices he alleged happened. The appeal court held that the allegations of deduction of votes, stuffing of ballot boxes, mutilation of sensitive electoral materials made by the said witness were borne out of hearsay. The court also held that the tribunal was right in dismissing the petition of the PDP and Isa Ashiru because the petitioner had abandoned their petition for the failure to apply for issuance of pre-hearing information sheets after close of pleadings as required by paragraph 18 subsection 1 of the first schedule to the Electoral Act 2022. Now let's cross live to the Court of Appeal sitting in Abuja, where our rights correspondent Godfrey Eshemoge joins us right now. Godfrey, bring us up to speed. We've here, there has been a shake-up. All right, talk to us about this.
Yes, of course, there's been a shake-up and there's a huge relief in the APC camp. Sani, the governorship candidate, now the affirmed governor of Kaduna State, because there was supposed to be a supplementary election coming within the next space of 90 days following the decision of the tribunal on 28th of September. It had ruled that there should be supplementary elections held in 22 local government areas where disputed elections held because, there were elections were either cancelled or didn't hold 22 elections. Of course, the margin of lead between he and his closest rival, Isa Ashiru, was just a mere 10,806. And they said the 22 local polling units drawn across 4 local government areas where these elections didn't hold were, covered about 16,423 people had received voter cards had been issued. So the margin of voter PVC collection and the lead between the two contestants was more. So that warranted the supplementary election called by the tribunal. But then the appeal court has a different opinion, insisting that the evidence brought was merely born out of hearsay and, of course, deemed it inadmissible and, of course, of no consequence. As it is right now, Sani of the APC is now affirmed governor of Kaduna State. Aaron.
Well, Godwin, any reaction from the PDP? Do you know if they will be going into the Supreme Court?
Well, of course, we know the tradition here in Nigeria. Basically, of course, they're already working on their notice of appeal to the Supreme Court. Of course, that should be done and dusted by the time the court delivers its final judgment today, basically. So they'll be heading for the Supreme Court to appeal this decision from the PDP end. That is Tommy Tope.
All right. Many thanks to you, Godfrey Eshemoge from Abuja, for your time here on Newsday.